2018 me no ASK FM me na say mo kan no me kai pa me interview no say hey say wo hia obi a wo ye appointee na ban dwumani wo say wasi mansion baburu mienu miensa asa voice ya mayira na me ya pa ka ba bia mebo ka mebo dodo asem we de bia ringi mitrim wasi mansion be ya miensa na say ni pai wato 4x4 be mienu ne yiri de bi kodwam ono de bi fa in fact say de wasi kirem mani aje ho wasi wo hia say nipa no a o kronfo ese ye chi no voice de obumpe mami obumpe mami Nhyira Kusi Boafo good morning
fine morning
bibi aboko de
boko
ye da okropon ase pa abusia
sonzo ho ye
me ho ye pa dom ne mpaibo ye ho ye ekrekregu kakra akra na ne wabeto suni
yeah
I mean ye kan adwuma ho asem and utie de course wo kwame danso a this is not the first time. In fact, we have youth almost storming institutions, state institutions, and particularly when it comes to court, court dying, mabunu bawuramnya kukurusa, na o share unemployment rate ayewo, na surveys akone research and so abeba ekire se unemployment etuma anywhere, etimi mabunu kosa akwan we nyina mu di sa bonin. You have been at the public sector. Obi aso pe adwuma yehwe. Say abayin fa yedwuma. Abayin fa yedwuma. You have been there. Public sector reform secretariat. Nhyira Kusi Boafo. Efri hi na yeduru hey.
Well, me da se na me nchia watiefo. E wo mu ne se ya nhihye niam yi. Ya nhihye ne yi. You lose focus. Right. Yeah, you lose focus. Right. There was here so, I shall say no ano ni data. Okay. Enim de man no AC ko. Kan e kwa so wa bebre kura nim wo mu date. Yeah. So nim sa. Ogu o say asimesi ba no wi no sa abre ne ye wo. School baby a teacher score ya ne asofo no catechist score ya na. Ya no mu bubo date. Sure. Enti population no kura ni enim ano. So ni database of Ghana ni bi papa and once obeti we yes obeti yes say kora ye wo no ni enim okay okra wabusu mu no je so obusa na say so biawo is it before the Fourth Republic no ana still no, from independent no yes right you make your attempt kakra but ajijigu yeah ni lose focus enti achire eba no a ene na musa no yenya eno na yese aban ene bebie enwuma be hye yetrim what you say sure but all over the world oman abon ho mountain etima ye eye private sector ni create adwuma enya ban ni create ban is a facilitator me my head public sector for almost 8 years right yeah minim and I'm also a project coordinator for World Bank for reforms, also for 8 years. Right. Obi obeka kire o say aban ni create sustainable jobs and no correct or a facilitator. Yes. But ni ye bi be ma adwuma ba. Chese ono na be ye nchehye ama adwuma ba. Government is a bad businessman. Government? Yes, it's a bad businessman. Sir. Yes. You can't bad businessman power on your bank. Original or minor name transactions near don't know or you're bad businessman. How do you say this? One contract negotiations on your yebuno. And now we in a name yebuno. So what you say? Nenina ho. Okay. Government choice of appointees is not the most efficient ones. A patronage. Say government or aban bia ba or appointing microphone or appointing microphone mu anima adwuma na na what to say I advert say momra interview nya no answer obeti asuma senior appointee ya man appointment to akwhye ha obi o kwa ni certificate kura ye fake no de aba ya ta da won titi no kura de ya tibi so what be asem ya meka kire obi enye nkotompo promotions obukọ wa promotions ni nyina be a patronage we o me party mpese okwhye ha me wo fa se we fa ne hye ha obehwe kora na results nye oyi nkwa ha enti ebe wie no na footballers na gina players no wo mu nyina ye ofunu ɛfa yɛ funu
omu nimbo
ofunufo omu hwie anso ne papa na yɛ coach
ye de na coach
yes no wɔfa ɛna team manager better ni ɛnhyɛmo it aban yɛ bad businessman and what creating impression bi sɛ ɔno na ɔma adwuma enti waba no nso no nipa yi ɔde ɔma ba nyina asapontis ne nneɛma ne ade no ɔmo ba ɔmo ne private sector ɛyɛ competition
okay
for contracts and other resources ne ade
kwan ben so
ɔno aba no ɔpɛ sɛ osi hotels
yeah man appointment no
ɔno ama appointment no wɔ hɔ no ɔno aba no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ importer
ɔno CEO no a waba ko mehwɛ na adwuma no nkɔ so no
ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ importer ɔno aba no ɔno nso chesi government contract no bi contract no a wɔn de yɛde ma no ano ɔno nso di akyire
but the mre ni wɔ esi wɔ mo kwan
that is it that is why America say government is a bad businessman ma menye ɛna ɔno nso kwan yɛ ɔfa so ba yɛ no yɛ appointed no yɛ de ɔbɛga beto no so sɛ yɛ wɔ nkrofo bi ɛto aba ma yɛ nyaayɛ ansa ne ɛte ha enti bia bepɛ sika ne nkɔma wɔ mu bindi sɛ nipa no akɔkɔmɔti no odi tim aba ne kɛkɛ no wɔkyɛn CEO yes ebi ɔkyɛn wɔ a wote ha ayi no no aba no ɔtɔ no one day no akati deɛ wɔpɛ die ɛso sene deɛ ɔyɛ adwuma 8 hours ɛma company bi what is that city no ɛnte sɛ yɛnyɛ biribi a ma wɔ mu a anhwɛ yie a yɛ ho bɛkyere yɛn enti ba saa na ɔno nso fom ɔno nso so wɔba no ofira busuam ɛne so wobɔ na attack sɛ ɔmfa sɛ mmra ne yɛmfa nkɔma party foɔ ɔno nso ba no ɔboro mmosea ɛna ebi odi nya position ebi a position no kɔdi sika na fa mu ebi okosi obi so ɛna okokosi obi so ɛna ekoduru obi anim ansa ne yɛfa no what do you say me man ko president won na kɔsira adwuma let me tell you honest
one year friend
yes asenso boache no man ne friend
asenso boache
yes MP for Bantam
no friend
yes
se man penisi bra beje appointment
o se me mra no ni mi nkomo
okay
so what you say enye ze me to na me to na ohini bi nie sofu bi nie we nie yenko na na do ho yakoni fie yakotena se me pa acho me wo fa ase ni Kusi Boafo enti mo mfa me enya mo na hye baabi na daachi wadidi amam bi adi enye saa nete so obu on so etisa ene fie so nye wo generational poverty ewo na busuam enti onu na ebetu ase ye de ni beyi musu enti okona ni mora ayi ewo form kakra bia wote ase na ekofense mo aba etibasa emaban hwere sika ewo ho pa due to inefficiency corruption through contract pardon what you say ghost names near me hyehyɛ baabi and wo mo ye ghost names nkwa for 10 to 15 years and contract pardon eyi Ghana kwan nyina atfat
kebetumi eyi akwan nyina
asfat
tika expressway ya ye ka sisika
ye ne da ye wie no several years ago inefficiency and na what's up ban no penimudie emroso what happens a country without land bank what be that we need land bank aye so we banya kra no amanfo otwa no forest din galamse what you say
oben se haye nko haye me haye see no
the study ya na beba reforms mu ya ye strategies ni nyina
right
ya nka beba ya government betimanya land bank some atworo ni nyina so they can continue with the same
watchro
yes some atworo ni nyina ni road nso so a ye beye ni aye professional indemnity insurance for roads
eno de na ensachire na do bebre ye economy na oman nanga na ye den de nsusu yenti
ensachire ni say ekwan ye wi a ebi a 30 years na maintenance ye san akoye fofo so sora in future we budget mu ke wi ni da insurance company no ne pay for repairs
but what can road asem no then na my roots yomo ya 3 months 4 months na aye is it about sikane ni entua ne ye and then ekum
Ghana ni sika to construct first class road that can last for 30 years.
You need sika for that.
Yeah, for that betimi achepa. And akwano so no ya promise ntino. Ayi ani so hanyan. Nti do the pressure beba no. Ni akose anwea bi agun form. The good form no, most of them anwea ntimi last 5 to 6 years. You see potholes.
Ti aye sapetin bi.
Sapetin sa na mo frɛ no.
Wow.
And feature as road bia papa bia or any serious country.
But wo hwɛ amount ye bebo akere wa. E bia $500 million. Bia ye can 1 billion asem ye de akoye routes akoye say. I mean then the man basa you have been there. They no more consider and him for the inefficient in
people don't hold leaders, political leaders, be it what whoever ya when you accountable. And once you dear children here kotwaba. Unya usika nife. Who are you? Where do you come from? How did you get your money? Come and sit down here. Tell us assets A and B and C belongs to you. And that sources of your monies, udinya asset in this is true accountability. Na taxes here mutually.
Why is CEO paying? Mami misa for asset declaration. What do you kakra? CEOs, other appointees, how do you declare your assets? Say be ya wu free so. Ebe hu say way any way no yaye.
So tell the personal
assets and sakra no akotena office wo na wo kwaye de atoton because emra no ye say be ya nipa na kwaye
betumi. So dey awode be ko. Me ko na me wo Isuzu Rodeo that be. The number ni GT 2079S.
Okay, ni nyina.
So there 2079S.
And guys are now so mfu bi kura.
And I so maton sase e wo adroba. O just here. I know dey me na me kire ma dey ye me part-time and am dey kototo sa you know.
Ti uchocho nyapade ni nyina.
Obetworo ni nyina. And na masi efie ketu before bedrooms. Mete ho. So ati ase. And I masi be 3 bedrooms be so ewo ama me ma me no me papa. Minti mi sinikase. So ati ase. And me ko no so no. Me fani se the ansase aka de be busuafo de cheche me papa. Se no so abobra. Minti no chembi. Yeah. So so also the beach me.
Do they declare ni nyina?
So asset will be declare. Inti me ba no me den sapan me the VIP na kwa Accra. What you say? And I'm call office. And so me the taxi. And I call office. The upon your the car Kusi me ofie. What you say? The friend of Mark here. They were no deputy director. So and no they call it or me ofie. So near your workshop, binti na the taxi and the bedroom all the time. I call him sell old cabs and no more on my project Biaji old cabby. There was a Ministry of Transport or Finance and no chasey and no coffer at the mammy and I'm a team. So I say the World Bank. Yeah, because you're project coordinator, and Omoma, your talkers, and now Homo, and maybe. Into me, who's a meeting, I'm cruising with that. So,
no man for say, you Kusi Boafo. As in the office, no crass is Kenny. And it's a kind of one was a woman who cried almost so much than you. What you say, so they obey. Now they are a policy you for obey strategies, whatever, nothing. Ekwa no mashe implementation no ase na fe watchro na de akopesika what you say say bi e be pesika wa ha ye pesika wa ha ye pesika wa ha e bi befa e bi mfa no otukwan no wakọ hwehwe African Development Bank and the me call Rwanda and other countries here because hwehwe said they were money university so what you say and the uber public sector reform the answer panel between I say for your input as a CEO they abaho because also submit policies near day they here now we I mean ultimately succeed through na they na disappointed so many amana maso
Okay, betimi aka kire o say one DVL so called DVL a lot of changes. Ubekokra na transport na to toma o mo be for mobile any software. Yeah, they call DVL, you see it for your first time. No money printers.
Okay.
No DVL printing, private man be no. We got them 3 printers for Ghana.
Wow.
New initiative centers you baby no baby. So if you want to say DVL could be center we about
recently creating
centers. Yes, we initiated all of them. So what you say? What you say? And they talk raw materials ya or me be print license no ankasa no.
Okay.
The building system, data capturing devices. Any other for motisi ha we ni nyina and yeah. The same as passport office okoho. What you say?
Yeah.
Yes, and so yeah. Ubehu say enema bi enso so ewo ho a okọ shiraja. What you say? Case study cases are be no time a chese. Wa sem ko shiraja se be ni you see, you set it up. Normally, BB, it is online video conferencing, whatever. And I feel foreign affairs, and Crofania do Omoba, Omope promotion, Omu from ambassadorial positions in Libya. I will make sure, say, yeah, the Omaba.
Yeah.
What I say, now online, no, but maybe Boca, about $3,000. And some of the interview. And so you can maybe what you want more near your interview for your promotion.
Okay.
What I say, head of civil service also we did the same thing. Public Service Commission we did the same thing. Right. What I say,
they now disappointed
policy.
Electric car also now.
Yes, the electric car policy was initiated from there, So what I say,
secretariat.
Yes, electric car policy, and so no.
Okay.
And to be who's electric car policy.
Send a net here. Now per what region by region and I send a monship mu de come and buy and can implement it because so far as you ensure them who the operations need.
The operations are finished so we implement it and at all now you implementing about 3 years. Obey policy.
You better to background near CB bands.
Near to be but sending you acquire who you man or cyber. What I say and I feel so make culture say chip embedded passport systems and so crano. Na passport office no be so I say you could procure printing machines. Now printing machine in the time and send them say customized to meet Ghana. You know will be intimate no. Now you know say you just can so it's secure Sikano at the Koto Bank of Ghana from World Bank $2 million. Then the next government must use the money to procure that particular equipment.
A chip embedded passport
printing machine.
Nanke the passport no ya embedded chip no.
Yes. And this a Ghana passport no country be so near the Roma yen who dey ufre. In international aviation radars. Civil aviation radars. Yeah, me I see countries be so o them passport no she mo mu baby am free.
Wow. Now, I say you pija Ghana card so much than policy are working.
No, Ghana card no
within and internationally.
What's a Ghana card no?
Within and internationally no. Say ukra Ghanaian passport and also your identity, right? Apart from Ghana card, ocean no more requiring agencies na Ghana card, passport or other identification cards in the big but or share your passport and the Ghana card pa no maternity card chip embedded here working ya yitimi scan and bring all your data out within the country so and now call internationally so but Kamia say you raise Ghana card no so much significant than sa the working
Ghana card no so no or no so significance near be a building integrated database ecosystem. You be finding in a so one. And when you find integrated database ecosystem. And no Ghana card no ebe tree family tree. What the media say?
Right.
Family tree do na be capture wo be bia wo mama wo papa wo nana nti won say wo register na ebusa questions. Very good. Those questions the be boy am yehu. And to say we are with DNA, nominate the idea in a woman in a shawasio. Kia DNA, no credit that the Dakorana, ya won't run at the idea. Ya DNA, the assets, yes, your dear. And two call baby and abete. 85 tree no be It's a board diam patrodi the same Musan say.
Very much Kofi Dawson.
Bema Kofi
Dawson.
Yeah, Bob Bema Kofi Dawson. Ghana card near the number national. Ne ye family tree. Bones of a wife. O man on that yes, look or one Kenya. Sakurano also a registered or quiet DNA.
Yeah,
I saw no sunya papa. O ye DNA new year near her step papa and bit me up a share by Marco. There's a DNA. So DNA will be compulsory in Ghana here.
Wow.
Before we even find a job.
It was part of the policy.
And the part of the policy, I be kwa near land bank, getting cancer, seeing, be capturing now. To your database.
Oh, Assasia, we again, and you Assasia. Oh,
Assasia,
a Beco Ghana card, and also.
I will probably be an assassin. Oh, now back with a cost that a Daniel Wessie.
Two Cotocrano, I will say, oh, Cotoy was so. Oto one near transfer every ho e dia ko enipa no awato no ho na question ase near who how mount transfer processes. But that's a very nice policy. Mo yefa card no ho but adana entimi amamusa because
period no dey here no sure countries here me kokọ so e be use 10 so be call Ghana over are reported MPP need about 20 years obeko no
Ansana, yet complete.
Ansana, nature ya complete. Ansana Ghana drew comprehensively the person you know. But here you pay BB quick. 4 years, 5 year BB. Once the president was or complaining about so many things and the other day. And to be on Beshas ya Bonija then the Amakogu, Kusi sebe Minkato Kusi and can't be a no Amakogum. But
that time my card and of course I said they are rushing too much and procurement no maybe cranny at the number for complaining so na omugusu asi be register nkrofo be say initial registration cra problem ba ho and later there are districts there
are teething problem and I make say Ghana any database nti data capturing primary data no capture na be what you say obi okra ni wura firi din obi kura ni din be miensa so what you say obi din miensa documents e wo no ho no e din be miensa na wo mu what you say
asesa
wa asesa ni wura fi date of birth ni wura fi okra date of birth be miensa ene hye no ho what obi ubusa ne na nakura wo hu obi kura ni kuro mu kura onim
wow
mo ni esi efiri ha ni esi efiri ha obi kura ubusa re papa wo hu no wa hu no papa obi wa hu no maame ni esi efre no bibi odida so bi akire kura so okotena ba bi change din no ono kura ni wura fi say ni pa no ubusa ne say enti wo capture initial data no but we there say ya o code nursery school no ade ya wo kura ya hu ni nyina enti nursery school ni nyina free ho
right
enti date sesa yes we be ni ho so really we did a lot of work was yet so we need to do more afi ye kono and kade no mo ka skills there is skills identification enipa no there wo utimi ye unkwara brem bi e hona ye do report nyina ba so from your school certificate nyina e hona
card no Ghana card no
e betrente wu certificate enti fake certificate ni wi ase
ayenu ntina nana mo pesa mo de nkwada no so ka ho
yes
okay
eti e be capture ni nyina ni ehu ukwo hospital kura history of your health eti fa bia ye yaria eba ekumu wo de ekumu ni nana de ekumu we de ye we to ko ware kura wo yire no me mo yire de ebia friend no Juliet ugo ya no abo Juliet fa Ghana card mame no akobo no akohwe ni family tree na yi
wow
ebi ayase cancer ebi ayase diabetes ebi ayase say ne kum ne nana we ne ye say ne blood group ye say we afa ha ne maami age ye say ne papa age susu ye say obi anso so we dia kopemo ye the average age of your father and mother ntomu wu ntemu a wo wasem bonpo enya accident bi ne say ya
na natural death wow my memory of previous comment, I think in 2019 or so.
Yeah.
We comment our past here, Jeff. Bring it back for me. Also, MPP deserve 20 years in office. And I'll say the CEO of Public Sector Reforms Secretariat, Mr. Thomas Kusi Boafo, has said the governing NPP deserves to be in office for 20 years to totally transform Ghana with good policies. It me hwe we ya. Me hwe asem ya wo kan ya. Currently, the speed aban ya wo so yi. Utie Ghana phobia omo kire say economically ye hwe currency ye hwe transformations omo dey ba ebi kura ma finance minister funds ato is forcing ato ya ade ni ade ama currently kura research about kire say NDC for no kura no omo koyi flag bearers ato seem to be a young one around omo a ebepre dey but he has come to be on top per the rating known and saying eti chere say say omu ye bibi but who ne say enka policies ni no ma wo kan ya omu aba ban mu no omu ye enka you recommend say omu so ye be omu bre like that duration na nko omu suti a transform Ghana ana
and e bre ne de gina opa omu na chere wado
ni omu ye sesi ye
you see too short this is a very short period.
Oh, sir.
Yes, it is too short a period to celebrate. Whoever is celebrating must be careful. Whoever is crying must be careful. 1 year is not enough to get comprehensive understanding of policy direction.
See, agrobe so anke ifranopa.
Ifranopa. Nanso so anopa no ano o sori na benye bibi edi a hwese kitchen ko toturu ano se die si kika bomu. So into hwemu a inflation ye down a busa ho on se Ghana no ya na ye nhwe ade deep identity inflation ye down ye se currency so na manfo da susu eniema bo se eniema bo nso so eden omuntimi ntowe. So what type of inflation? So there's a complete disconnection between what policymakers are saying and what the households are also saying.
Is it ready for no mutrimu ede?
No!
Sir.
The person is a obi no e to ne man tem no kofi no nyamfa so no kofi a o se trimodi ti metra ha ma de asame ne nsu abom wi abom ade wo na mo wi aso no menua wo mu nsu. What will be his replacement cost? So no town the makwa no fofofo say inflation abo from no a wo kotobi abesa na mu a ye de beje ne say. What you say? Ye de beje ne say. Ade na ne asa ban susu ntirimo ode nya na water bill and electricity no ye say kokoko sure. Enti wan ntirimo ode. Ade na ntirimo ode ni no ne hwan.
But I say you're obvious say edwadifo nso omo ka ho bi me kan ya de bia ma ye gina so Clement Boateng president Maguta I was a traders association.
Yes.
Or say don't take advantages of the youths to increase your prices but make it affordable for the Ghanaian consumer. Eti na se me o kan se my dadifo entu no mamfa burunya ho America kase ntutu no mamba sabasa no moma no nye ma Ghana se chere ye say dadifo no so wo control kakra wo I mean se omutumi yesa ma no ma boye
ye run system a free market system.
Okay.
Or the jo abode ko ba bi foforo na sa ko busa e bia na ho dey so no do so na eton what you say enye monopolistic environmental enye esi aduro na nipa ba ko pe na enya mo di twatwa mene what you say what you say aha say the Jesus Christ pen so kwa no o pichi no say na crofo sa fira chire ekotie John the Baptist de emma crofo so sa firi ho ekọ Pharisee ho enso so kokotie bi
right
Jesus kura wa kan crofo hwehwem Paul so say I have for say monte say if no momo de me kasa mo amuko biebie Bible ne tworo no mu hwe say ye no kra na ati a ebusebusa eti wo mu susu busebusa eti so hwe mu a me de maka say here policy sustainability
right
Singapore no a obodi no wo mu sustain policy no wo ho. So one thing NDC came and continue good for oil policy under whichever name. It is still good for oil policy.
Right.
Good. Or continue IMF debt restructuring program. No matter how painful. A woman say no more homo lambaste. Then crofo cash and then crofo na pension for or but it was a very necessary thing. So NPP was walking on eggshell. Na but niya ama omani begu. It came to a time Ghana Foreign Reserve was left with less than 3 weeks. It is not dangerous. It is one year be debt servicing. Also, mobile, you are service debt. Repayment of principal.
But they said they are servicing at force and just make you canibia.
No, they are not the monumental ones.
Okay.
They are restructure question. Repayment will seriously start. It is a tomwa and the abaya obeba between 2018, 19, 2028, 29, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 to 30, 40. This is the critical period. It is about we know and first can be NCA no tugum say be am sustain CD ama CD no abeform ni aboma baso a temporary. Until I'm say temporarily. Bedroom baby now we need enough resources. Yeah, a do debt servicing. Obey so around those time pressure besanya babiem. A basa ube depleted resources no. Instead of protecting the city, you use it this time to pay for principal and interest, and then we'll go back to square one.
Wow.
I'm not a prophet of doom, but this is how I foresee in those years. Maybe as I way the new hobby and oko. Maybe I just fancy a it's a temporary relief. To say, Bema, when you obey your family, then you say, 5 minutes, no, when you know, and quite a for 20 years. One have a bobna.
But revenue generation, in fact, gold board contribution near there. I say, or musica omo a day bemuno kakra. Recently, just less than a year, I mean, $8 billion we are running around. Unini say a man that's so bakakra. A man that's so but you best sustain in it. Okay. That is it. And it does so beba. Okay. It didn't see BB and find your politics. This is something that must be done very well. Okay. And to say, no, Ebasano, where will your sources be? In the Musa Gold Board, said, sources or no, if the hay and Eba, how do you sustain it? Okay. I didn't need a war and Sassi, I sent Quare to Garamsi. You for unemployment, yes, as you. Yeah. And Quare to Garamsi. Yes, Omu to Garamsi. Garamsi, no. Any gold no your machines in technology you did you garamsa yen sense you enti aban onim concession no a wo de ba multinationals no adenti ne ntimi fasa ase ni bi emfema youth ya yeso omunye adwuma nyei ye me anto din galamse ye anto din small scale mining kura ye nya ne sa what you say the empty machines be equipment technology be ma wo mu no mu nyi gold no a wo mu say insu nanka binance sponsor no banwa ento. Okay, this is an area the government must go or private sector must team up. Sir, where the private sector ubeba as a player, as a partner. Okay. Skase ni here would we be shemu say but the job no eco youth no ho em be dey aye wo mo adwuma. Okay, what you say ni ewia yato either we use it to build reserves or we will sell. Anya say galamse dey ntimi ntu ase da big galamse there utu ase aye betu aban and that is what the government is afraid. Utu ase aye betu aban. Yes. Is that the reason why Akufo-Addo couldn't put his... That is why Akufo-Addo put on the line, his government was removed. Partly. I can't hold it. It's a buying behind me. Okay, sir. Could I any against anymore? Sir? Yes. Hey. Now, why we are about court? Can I who bond dog? So, court. A beggar crack, no one here, judge, no crano, woman, a better judgment, Yamano. So one kind. Aye. Ne to general so. Catch and say akwam robber we was setting free. You buy a cry you wasting time. You say to us because he crash am. Wow. One here cry bet me abem. What you say? Aha. Because the almost feminine. Not the almost feminine men kasenye. But yeah no one we overpromise them. More promises and necessary. Promise. Oh, customer will be a kind of crew. Me as a woman, mechanical crutchel. Yeah. So what a median answer. Mechanical creno. Sure. Mediachel. I was young, many year Thomas. So, mechanical crutchel. Mechanical answer. Pa. There, it did not make more promises as MPP. Necessary. Nina, promise dear, as all my timelines. Time we may we, time we, and yes, oh no. Warrior, one promise in the baby.
enti dakron ana na afi na ade nyina ye timelines no na ade nyina ye no enti uba na 4 million youth obeka kire ni say 24 hour economy ye be call trade shifter. Is it feasible? Public sector workers. Me my head public sector 7 years. The government cannot pay 1 million public sector workers every month.
Abayin to me.
Ultimate. Ebi dey betete akam. Na bi akoye say omati go picketing. Government cannot do that.
Right.
Tabanka say me be na about 4 to 5 million unemployed youth. Do you know economic growth and private sector participation at this hard job no beba? Economic growth must be between 7 up to 7.9% consistently for 10 good years.
But you see, running around 5.5.
5.5 for no, but no was happening before. It will be to me about 1.3.
Yeah, need 2.
And the 2 0.5 in Bermuda. Negative for Bermuda. It's a bayanisa. Private sector participation in employment must be 93% in Ghana here.
Your mom crankra numano.
Yes.
And a bit me
yes. Sanka me fancy we dey met me aka. Ayan kokoyan ya o se Boris B.
Oye
prayer. Kaka say koko Boris B no ene o mo akasare farm those big prayers. No man use you no eba mu no as out growers. And I say o mo be yen abesoprai. No man supervise it with proper technology. Now slaughtering house. Who could see slaughtering house? Now government is so far on a employment with public sector work here. It be good.
Wow.
Yes, it will become like an abattoir.
Wow.
Abattoir some the Kusi say. The asem no kra na make a tell no politician there or no or can for temporary leisure. A baby can for temporary leisure and pleasure. Say be a bear no. One name the real magnitude of the problem. Magnitude no. Into a baby na a pusuno was the ace anet here. For to be cast and yes, I mean, I'm a can. No, as a son.
And no, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, because he said, you have never been president before. You don't criticize me. I go see us.
24-hour economy explanation, you know, I say a shift. Aspiring
flag bearer for your party. No, you're worried about EC and Amotua Wutu. Say Wutu Tem Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Now, Ochese EC rush through the door and or share the conduct of the EC recently. And share that more as a party or Pandai rerun here by Abattoir commissioners on the 30th court a ruling that year. But Abattoir commissioners who are acting on the court orders. Now MPP in such say I mean minority in parliament say Omako appeal. And I see a chairman ka processes no ekumwa kakra. Na yehu the ABC because court to cranch will be ruling. It's easy rush to run the elections no aye den. I mean what you mu kakra.
Well
who is saying is Baumia having a point. MPP, are you worried?
Well, he has a point. Everybody has a point. But Yemfa Embrenum.
Okay.
What you say? Obi ntimi mfa ne pe enye de ope. So I can. Our point. Our company. Our point. Yes. But Embra kwanso. What you say? Yisi ebe twen court no na won twen. What you say? Say yisi no conduct election no kura wi a. Nembra ne ba ne nullify no so a eno so say. What you say? Nti yempe complication.
Right.
Name complication ade a deep problem beba.
Right.
Ye bianso nchirima ni besua ye. Ene o ka nchirima se wo mo ye abon ye mo ye de enche enye yi ni ade no. What you say? Eye eyifu. What you say? Nchirima no ba besua o mo edi kan no. So what you say? Nchirima no character ene ade nyina no eye the aggregate of pennyfo no character and omo portray.
Right.
Sometimes unshown.
Okay.
Obi kura no ye dwamanfo.
She said you can see ni akwada boni penny boni.
Penny boni na tete nkwara boni. eti collectively obi besua bi kura de afiri baabi de abefia said de no obi kan wure fia obi betia kan ni no obi kura wa bonti timi tia akora abon etia obi oye ade a go into excesses
right
o dia se o ma won ko teacher ni betimi atia o kwa sorry a betimi atia wo enipa bon ni ba mu a na che se one ye culture ye culture ye religion what you say your leadership, be it political, our educational system, failure ankasa.
Right.
Ni any good mentors. Right. Ya kwara ahwe no no asua no said the Paul ka say me hwe Yesu na misua no ntimu nsua me. Ena usua hwan.
Yes obi a mpanimfo amudi.
Obo wa wosare ma me kura ye west. Wosare papa ye west.
Politicians mo nso nanka manfo usua mu. You say Suban no so
politician. My politics did not change me. Okay. Very bad. And change me say me could deep on it. And change me integrity. And change me authenticity.
Right.
What I say? Me the market me no kura no. Eh wo mu. Me kan kopem da me wo. Me nua obi ade da e kopem da me wo. Me ko di do obi atem e kopem da me wo. So at me dey say. That is my principle. What the me call baby a eteme o de me corporate se Kusi Boafo ko wi sika bremia menia po banchi apesi ebidi na aboa
onyo
obi ebe wi ase me ma me yafunu no me nko na me da mu o nya me ne konfo obi na da mu o nya me ni nipa boni ni bia na da mu o o ti ase de maka se menye da be no wate se Kusi Boafo ko akura se okono mo nsada o hu me dance da what ya say?
Kusi Boafo ya bread yem fanwie na research bi abetudwa from Musa Dankwa. Na nasem ne say say MPP mo lusu majority of my membership no kakra in terms of differences no about 9% from the MPP. Say increase na could the NDC ho. As of the NDC increase about 42%, or maybe 9% be able to come sa range no.
Percentage of what is it? Parliamentary or whichever?
No membership. Party echita omo party ni membership.
Very good.
So omo di party na chi we me MPP ni we me yesi.
Very good.
Omo MPP a o si nei we free ebia MPP ko
NDC. Very good.
Sa range na could do 9%. Eye trender etwa se mpanimfo ase MPP mu hwe ni na this particular occurrence no say then na ema no eba so na mu be na ese mu
politics
because say mu nkrofo ni move ko na nsen yan abante ba ko a ofiri mu wasan ba ono kro ba kasa fidie so be kasa eye gabitre ata ono so wasan ba MPP na anu yi ene kire say movement no ampa ewo ho
no ma me fenchire wa de ba ko eti so waju obi gere ana waju obi yire be ma wadwuma seye ana wo yare no obi ajo yire ana wajo girl what you say what you say oh what the promise no so feria na nani so san ba na chibiem
oh okay
na be ma no so yare no ne ho ye fe na nadwuma ye yi a na fe nani san ba na chi what media na say san no be ye no eti waves no be kwa the intro de call NDC so ko na ye gate crash na bia ahwaye ma onya baabi ntina obesan ya aba
o hwe reasons ni bia yesi mo nhwe mabunu ni ye movement no so mabunu kra
na akọ opposition usually ya na eti said the American be ma na adwuma gu ana so yare what you say ena obi nso so awo ye yi no e change ewo ho what you say e bia resources wise untimi nhwe enipa no said the now si hwe no ena bia status wise onu bia odudin enam edin no nso so na ebia wabu opposition enti so ate ama confidence level ebia kontobi ba bibio na muai bia na atika bi mni eje ho ma na untimi nyai enti sam ne ma no beba enti ba bi obekọ no wonya disappointment no o ti ase na fe
wasaba
na fe
wasanya ni bibia mo be ye je se mo twen ma ebia NDC fu feli ansa na microphone asaba
ebia na nye NDC felu anso so ebia no obi anka kasa de bi ankyere no so obi wa wo kwa ewo de obne ne be ya obesan ya ba
okay
na wasan ya benti wunya na wo meet wo ma hu so MPP candidates in rounds aspirants omo rounds
na no kra mampani dada akofo hia wo
they've started speaking
na one anka wo
generally and yet say ube put to a blanket question like this the delegates know.
Okay.
They know
but
where they will go. Maybe there me pay unifier.
Okay.
Generally, maybe there me pay you betimi aka party na bom. Me pay the whole huge baggages here. O koye reconciliation or bebre. Where wo gina 10 candidates ni nyina na ma menkyerɛ o. What you say? Your friend decency monitor by Seneca Alighieri.
Okay.
Aha.
Interesting.
Omo ko gina bibi ba say ya o ma wo mo 10 candidates ni nyina ye 10 over omo followers ni the denominator so the candidates are the numerator candidates no 5 ni nyina ye numerator ye 10 and omo wase no a follow e kasa ma wo ene onam no ye the denominator
right
what you say it is a denominator no and resonate the numerator no and then speaking the same language or tifim it will cast more a 10 year 10-1 or cast more a 10-1 or cast more and frank abomuma 10-1 and it's all home a warm way do it ever me at sa and no time decency monitor never no maybe I know druma no stray because we are 7 negatives as denominator.
So omo safo ni didi atem ya dey affect them.
Definitely, and yes sir, my mention usually a person becomes the average of his followers.
It is a wohwemu a hwan pa na nke.
Well, in terms of decency. Kwabena Japan I had there.
Okay.
I don't see a lot of any followers.
Right.
Some of them will monitor me. Intimate the chef video no.
Also monitor.
Me monitor. Me video me dey check.
Okay.
We kura makasa no ya record me ko check. But where I got it wrong. Next time me ba me change man.
Right.
No ma correct me ho.
Sure.
Kwamre Japan ewo good ewo ho. So
yeah.
Yes. We can't wait to educate you. Honorable Aduchumbu follow. Ono so about home pa.
Right. Okay.
In terms of omo followers.
Okay.
It was Nicola Duchum near there. Brian is also there. With
Banker.
few denominators I show.
Okay.
And two bar now ba can a Japan and Baumia Honomonoa. One more sukra, one more 10.
Yeah.
But the denominator is where they must mute the denominator.
Let me have one.
Answer my boy.
Kusi Boafo, you better see no pay.
Next time I buy now we feel no. And that day I you mess I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Don't talk but you have handled the situation perfectly.
Thank you very much.
Very sensible, very sensible questions.
Thank you.
On top of issues now knowledgeable, very interesting.
Thank you.
A great social person.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Berima Kofi Dawson.
Berima Kofi Dawson.
Yeah.
Bravo, God bless you.
I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Nhyira Kusi Boafo no Thomas Kennedy who Public Sector Reform Secretariat, former Chief Executive Officer, and the Nutrition Komoy economist, social, political commentator, and of course public administrator. And you to me say very discerning conversations, and they have one and pay. I just hope I saw the politics be and same be why be a wono when you're happy, but he's making a clear point on some of the issues.